Hello and welcome to the Views Club. Today I'm going to show you how to make an agua fresca de piña colada, like a piña colada, fresh water. Yes, if you guys want the sugar portion of this, make sure to stick around to the end for the full recipe for that nutty one, okay? It's not so nutty, it's great and delicious, but ooh, there we go. It's my pineapple is nice and ripe. And I'm usually very particular about overly ripe fruit, but pineapple, woo, gets me going. The kids really enjoyed this one yesterday, so we're back at it again today. I think it's the creaminess. I mentioned to you guys my pineapple gadget. And my husband loves pineapple. Like, I have to have fresh pineapple for him in the fridge whenever he's home. And I said, babe, if you wanted me to make it like the store, because he would buy that little pack, and then he would bring it and be like, look what I got, babe. And I'm like, just get me the little thing and I'll do it for you. So you just keep going and going. You get it out, snap it. And this one is juicy. Like, wow, I'm impressed. Holy smokes. You guys see that? And the cool thing about these, if you do this and you kind of kept the end and start slicing it through the bottom, you can cut them and serve like a rice, a teriyaki rice, your buttered chicken with rice and slaw, or that recipe I made, you can make it on here. Just like that, you know? Somebody's gonna say, you left too much of the flesh in there. I'm gonna say, no, you end up losing about that much flesh when you cut it with a knife. This one is really juicy, guys. So I already have about 3 or 4 cups of water in your blender. And then just prop it in. Yeah, mine's pretty like ripe there, so I know that this is gonna work well with my system. Oh yeah. Today I am gonna be using more of this little smoothie pack. I'm gonna be using 2. If you don't have that one, they have this for about $5, $4 to $5 at the store, and it works great. Your carbs are 2 grams, and it's not that bad, right? It depends on what you want to keep it up to. If you guys are gonna make the naughty one with sugar, definitely use that one. And if you can't get a hold of this creamy coconut can, you can use coconut water, fresh coconut water on here. You guys know I'm working on plastic. Next is gonna be my paper towel consumption. I'm so bad about it. Like, I wish I could be better about it, but I'm just not. I'm really not. I'll work on it when I figure out my whole plastic thing, okay guys? All right, so I am gonna be adding a little bit of this monk fruit sweetener. I'm learning about it, I'm enjoying it, so I'm gonna add a little bit of this, a little spoon. We're gonna blend this for 3 to 4 minutes, and you guys hear me, it's a little bit redundant for my other recipes for agua fresca, but if you have a blender that's not as powerful, add less fruit in here with about the same amount of water, and blend it 6 to 8 minutes. If you have a Vitamix, don't go over a minute, minute and a half max, because then you're gonna make yourself some warm soup. Okay, so while I'm blending this, I want you guys to finish this song for me. If you like piña colada. You guys need to finish it in the comment section. All right, friends, I'm gonna give the sweetness a taste. Oh man, that's good. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. If you guys are gonna be adding this, I'm keeping it light on my end and a little bit cleaner, but this is gonna give you the creaminess, and I'm gonna push through, and I'm not gonna use it today. I'm gonna push through with this. Because you're also thinking about like, whipped cream. So maybe I can make my whipped cream with this a little bit. Yeah? All right, I'm over here filling my cup, but then I tasted it and I feel like I want more sweetness, and I don't wanna add too much of the monk fruit. Cactus Gold honey powder. I get this at my local Korean market. I'll try and look up a link for you guys. And I'm gonna add a little bit. I like this. If you like honey, go ahead and add it. And I'm gonna add like a spoon and I'm gonna mix it up because I want it sweeter. Cactus honey. The recommendations for this powder form, let me put some on my hand, okay? Because, okay, now that I've cleaned up my mess, let me put some on my hand so you guys can see. It's a little powder form. Like this. And if you guys are having smoothies or you're having Greek yogurt and you sprinkle this on top, my goodness, it is divine. Your carbohydrates are 10 grams of sugar for 1 tablespoon. So yeah, I already put that in my drink. I'm gonna splurge with a little bit of healthier options. Please continue to send me your pictures on Instagram and Twitter so I can post them right here. It's definitely a way cleaner piña colada. You're gonna miss the heavy cream. You're gonna miss those things if you keep it light. But I'm still with it. The Agua Fresca challenge. At least drink 8 ounces without sugar. And then go ahead and switch it up to whatever you want to taste, okay? I want to thank you guys so much for joining me. Please stay tuned towards the end where I give you the recipe for the sugary piña colada. But for myself today, I know how to make a lot of wonderful recipes, but I'm definitely going to be keeping them clean. And at the end, I'm going to give you guys my authentic version. Okay? So I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I'll see you guys on the next one.